Okay, iti oras KARRUBA 2 minutos kalpasan de alas 2. Ayan. 2 por 2 nga kunada. Oo, berkata kita. I-share ko man pa dati video kat naima samit di nagpatanggir wartatay. Ayan, so dati na po ti maudi pa set ti programa na po. Adda kami Manen. Wherein mabanyon na po iti request iti sa bali pa nga klase. Iti sonata aside from our very own matatang Ilocano songs. Mabalin kayo na po di gangkan na at nga sonata. Yan. Ket katagiti 30 nga dago sa po nga bubuya kata kami iti live. Ayan, good afternoon. Watching always from Edmonton, Canada is Donald Baculi, and Jessica Kilang Saplaco is also watching, and Ray Ballestero Cecil Cablao man manong nagijay budots gang ken madarang boys ken happy birthday ken ni Uncle Fidel Solis ken Jay Putot ni Uncle Berting ni Cindy. Thank you, God bless, and more power from Ray and Manang Aida Paso Clinton, hello Ading June, and JM still here watching you Naganos. Kamanang, thank you so much for keeping us your company up to this moment. Kesa siyempre kani Ading Ella Banadero. And the rest, Naneth Valdez, Anita Carino, and JR Tapuro, Sudayon, and Mylene Arellano. Ayan, and Canada, matian ni Ading Naneth Valdez. Kita man lang, oras na paditan. Alas 2 ti parbangon mo tanditan. And the Princess Desire, even Desiree G. Villarde is watching. Hi sir, from Singapore, Matisona. And from Hong Kong ni Aimee Orke watching from Hong Kong. And Flor Mesa Abe Blas still watching here in Singapore. So kata kayo amin na po. Thank you so much ayan for watching. And nagitimet pangablao balong from our official text line.
Hindi mo binati si Sir Fred ano?
Fred?
Alili.
Asan?
Eh, nanonood siya.
Oh, di nakita. Okay, so
good afternoon, Sir Fred.
Yes,
Alili.
and deta, sisasagana lahat nga mang supportative for decade do iso nga into no sumarno nga election na supportaran ta mo ni uncle mo syempre.
Wala.
Yan. Kaya dita mo no ngem no mabingay-bingay to ti distrito, di ka mo no ka distrito ta pa isuda. When anyway, we can also give support or no hanta nga ka distrito.
Di ba board member siya? May district ba yun?
When?
Anong district ba siya? 4?
Yes.
Oh,
bali nga
okay.
District 16 ko na. Di ka muna. Sino di
Mata.
kakadwa?
Barang matuloy siya.
Aman, matuloy ata. Kunakang ka.
Good afternoon mga kuya. Pagrit naman sa aking pamangkin na mag-birthday bukas. Happy 18th birthday sa'yo, Clarissa Pableo. From your Tita Ganda.
Wow.
Joke! Kung naman, sabay ka siya.
Thanks
po mga kuya. Tintin po ito ng Santa Ana Echage.
Wow. Kita laon so padasin taman ti kumansyon karod kadagiti sunsonata tatangaman manot nga kansyonan kadagiti agem emote itata
yan sa mga mahilig sa
abom kay ko ti lyrics sa dating nga sonata ako na when I'll be bluer than blue kunan tas syempre no pumanaw ka ay ka nagragsak nga ta kunan awan to ti kaapa dito balayon iti closet ko no ti cabinet ko mapunon to ti nalawan ton kunan nga nakipoten kunan na so nga oray pumanaw ka sige pumanaw ka kunan but then in the end kunan sakto mo iti
Life Without You
when is bluer than blue kunan so our version of the song Bluer Than Blue.
Ganda.
My arrangement, of course. I feel though I can catch upon my reading, and after you go, I have a lot more time sleeping. Lima ba sana?
Pasilang.
And when you go, it looks like things gonna be a lot easier. Life would be additional. I really should be glad, but I'm bluer than blue, sadder than sad. You're the only life this empty room has ever had, and life without you is gonna be bluer than blue. Laleng ada tayo sumaran nga. And after you go, I have a lot more room in my closet. And after you go, I can stay alone if I feel like it. And when you go, I can run through the house screaming, and no one can ever hear me. I really should be glad, but I'm bluer than blue, sadder than sad. You're the only life this empty room has ever had. And life without you is gonna be bluer than I don't have to miss no TV show. I can start my whole life over, change my numbers on my telephone, but the night will sure be colder. But I'm bluer than blue, sadder than sad. You're the only light this empty room has ever had. And life without you is gonna be bluer than blue, bluer than blue.
Uy, pang millennial lang.
Yeah. Paturugan tata-tata kita karo tayo nga napuya di rabi. Napuya nga na kay Madjong.
You are the one, girl. And you know that it's true.
Aya.
Feeling younger every time that I'm alone with you.
Italaw rin ang panang.
We were sitting in a parked car,
Oh.
stealing kisses in the front yard. We got questions we should not ask, but how would you feel
Anya ti maritnam.
if I told you I loved you?
No ibagak ka ngay ayatan ka.
It's just something that I want to do.
Kaya't ko lang magkakangayab kasta kita.
I'll be taking my time,
Alagot yung kundaway.
spending my life,
Ay ito'y kuti biya.
falling deeper in love with you.
Nagayat kang ka.
Ana? Nga?
Agayat.
Tell me that you love me too.
Sabi ko matusumpat ako. Ngay ayatan nakman.
Natitimayat nito. In the summer,
Hindi ka pudo na.
as the lilacs bloom.
Hindi ka opisina ang dayta.
Lilyan. Love flows deeper than a river.
Ako naman nagpahin.
Every moment that I spend with you.
No si katikatuhak.
We were sat upon our best friend's roof.
Data iti.
I had both of my arms round you.
Arara ko
Watching the sunrise replace the moon. How would you feel if I told you I loved you?
Hello.
It's just something that I want to do. I'll be taking my time, spending my life, falling deeper in love with you. So tell me that you love me too.
Ayan, hello Auntie Lisa May, Marcelo. Thank you for watching.
We were sitting in a parked car, stealing kisses in the front yard. We got questions we should not ask, but how would you feel if I told you I loved you? It's just something that I want to do. I'll be taking my time, spending my life, falling deeper in love with you. So tell me that you love me too. So tell me that you love me too. Tell me that you love me too.
Tell me that you love
Me too.
Okay, manong ba kanta yung manda? You Were Mine.
Nadedete na eh.
Ay, okay, manong kumanta kayo mamati kanta nga Phil Conics.
Kanta ti Phil Conics.
As in composed the 1990s, please, manong malaglagip ko ngamin. Itatang ko dore di jay yala. When I'm feeling blue, staff po ng Difun.
Oh, mata? When I'm feeling blue.
Phil Conics? I guess it's Phil Collins.
Siguro.
Kasi when I'm feeling blue, all I want is you.
Siguro.
It's Phil Collins.
Phil Collins.
Damot yung mga Phil Collins. Kita ang tama. No, dati na bati pa nga Phil Collins ko tayo. Phil Collins. I'm not sure if I can still do this. Amoy mo na nga, nagbalyo kami ti Genera.
Ilocano.
Ilocano kami. Iso nga mamano ti amokon nga.
Yung ba yun? Phil Collins ba yun? Hindi.
One, data. Burka. Ano ba kita?
Think twice. Another Day in Paradise?
Ibadik sa I cannot.
Yung ba yun?
One.
Phil Collins? Another Day in Paradise? Ganun sa?
Ada pa sa bali, kita kang pa sa bali nga kanta ti Phil Collins. Balik nga
basak pa lang.
Ma-remember
once
separate lives lagi kat.
I was young.
Wow.
Sige,
Sige, bumasa ka nga ro da.
DJ kablak man tay talong nga utol ko nga ginom ita. Ni Tol Leo, Tol Rogel, ken Tol Lendsay, ken ni ipag ko nga aglablaba from 940. Naimbanggal ko niya yung manong Jun ken GM dito stasyon yo kan amin nga listener yo ita. Akan ito kablak man ni Kuya Sani, kadwan na ni Jad ken Hayden nga dita program yo every Sunday subsubaybayan mi. Okay, thank you so much. Regards from Ate Evelyn T. Difun Kirino. Para kasi manjay thinking out loud Ilocano version please. God bless and more power. Have a blessed Sunday po. Timat. Pa-shout out po sa Ancheta family from Red Ancheta. Kanamit ni LJ Fernando. Hay mga manong pabati man. Ay pabati kami man. Friend ko dito ay Hong Kong, Rowena at Jane. God bless po. Hello kuya, para kayo sumanjay. Lost in your eyes. Salamat po. I was lost in your eyes.
I get lost.
I get lost ba?
I get lost. You are lost nga talaga.
One, I'm lost.
Napukaw ka.
My spirits rise.
And so like the wind.
Sino nagkanta dyan?
Ni Debbie Gibson. Kuna ng harod.
Wow, nagpintas ah. Lalagmayat. Nagpambabae magamin eh. Kasanaw ay
wala nang makilala ka aking mahal.
Di ako mapalagay
talaga nga lost in your eyes.
Iisip ko sa'yo.
We usually do this.
I get lost in your eyes. Is it real? My spirits rise and I live. La 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 la. To the sky. Stone, mali ka mo aja. Natalas nata.
When I
met yan.
Lost in your eye.
Atan J. Phil Collins.
Ako na natin ka Phil.
Sigurado alam ni DJ Lee to.
Yes, you can sing with me, DJ Lee. Come over here. Panahon natin to.
Uy, sa DJ lang jungle.
Fresh from Puerto Rico, California, Charity Lianes. Good afternoon, kakakapsat. Ako nga perfect dito, padasilan. For you to remember the good old days with your father, here's something from Phil Collins.
She calls out to the man on the street, "Sir, can you help me? It's cold and I've nowhere to sleep. Is there some way you can tell me?" He walks on and doesn't look back. He pretends he can hear her. He starts to whistle as he crosses the street. Seems embarrassed to be there. Oh, think twice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice. It's just another day for you, you and me in paradise.
Phil Collins.
She calls out to the man on the street. He can see she's been crying. She got blisters on the soles of her feet. She can't walk, but she's trying. Oh, think twice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice. It's just another day for you, you and me in paradise. Just think about it. Just think about it. Oh Lord, is there anything more anybody can do? Oh my Lord, there must be something you can say. You can tell by the lines on her face. You can see that she's been there. Probably been moved down from every place, 'cause she didn't fit in there. Oh, think twice. It's just another day for you and me in paradise. Oh, think twice. It's just another day for you, you and me in paradise. Just think about it. It's just another day.
It's just another day
for you and me in paradise. In paradise. In paradise.
Ating parekas man si Siwit.
Naganda
Tapos
yun.
bigla daw malabo na yung signal. Sabi naman, blurred matan kung wala ta.
Diyan.
Buy-buyaan na siguro.
Oh my God, I'm sorry.
Dahil siguro sa mga kantang international.
International, ano, okay.
Pa-shoutout po sa Papa Dangko.
Na?
Timbangan na. Basta ko sila timbangan na.
Papa
From Red Ancheta.
Kataag, biro ka man background music. So, our time, balong.
Can
80
na play
oras.
video.
Okay.
Hindi na kaya ito. Natin video. Da siguro din nagpa. Gajay siguro international.
When, kita medyo bim ba? Okay, so,
Nay, mati makabuya. Kablawak tinaragsa nga makiandam nga pulo nga anibersaryo.
Kim Mapsut iti signal.
Di Gamma Sigma Scorpions from newly elected treasurer.
Hamamo dito yung kanya. Okay, so, JJ says here, Manong, Jun, ken ating GM na yung bag nga aldaw. Kada kayo dita, great kuman ni daleng ko nga ni Lorimel Milianes. Thank Manong Jun and ating GM. And Mercy Alontaga, tay man sisiwit ko na nga. Talaga nga medyo mapsut ti signal ti internet. Okay, we would like to say sorry for that. And Donabel Javier is watching. Siguro masapong nga i-reset dito
Reset.
Pakayang palitan ng pamansang awit ko na dito. Amin nga tatawag at agre-react ang talaga mo dito. Ayan, so pamansang na ba? So here's another piece from John Mark Pastor.
Ano yan?
Ati kansyon ng balong.
Matagal na yan
1964. Ready?
From Charlie Puth.
Yeah.
Wait lang.
Pasok.
I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Call me baby if you need a friend. I just wanna give you love. Come on, reaching out to you, so take a chance. No matter where you go, you know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. Come along with me and don't be scared. I just wanna set you free. Come on, you and me can make it anywhere. For now, we can stay up for a while. 'Cause you know, I just wanna see you smile. No matter where you go, you know you're not alone. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing on me. I'm only one call away. And when you're weak, I'll be strong. I'm gonna keep holding on. Now don't you worry, it won't be long, darling. When you feel like hope is gone, just run into my arms. I'm only one call away. I'll be there to save the day. Superman got nothing